Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. I know I'm hitting you back to back, but I think it's worth it. Over at Tractor Supply, they have several GearWrench tools currently on sale. I'll have a link down below. I specifically wanted to point out this GearWrench 44-piece 3/8" drive impact socket set, currently selling for $59.99, and you can see you get free shipping on orders of $59 or more. So this is going to get shipped free, $59.99. There's a link down below if you're interested. If we look at some comparables, Amazon's currently selling it for $94.99, Home Depot $94.99, and Acme Tools is all the way up to $100. So Tractor Supply is almost half off on this deal. Really nice gear wrench set. And if we go to the post on my website, I have this additional link that takes you to other gear wrench tools that are on sale at Tractor Supply. So you see we have a bunch of different wrench sets. We even got the flex head 72 tooth down to $67.49. We have this set here is the one we were just looking at. We got a bolt extractor. We got the hex and torque spits. Got the stubbies. Everyone could use a set of stubbies. So a bunch of good stuff worth taking a look at, seeing if there's anything you like. And remember, free shipping on anything over $59. Otherwise, you can buy online, pick up in store if you have one near you. Actually, mine says the nearest store is Harvard. What the hell is Harvard? I don't even know. They need more Tractor Supply stores apparently around here. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. See you guys next time.